Don't trip yourself with your own remote control car.
Are you charging the helicopter?
Yeah, I am charging the helicopter. I guess it's fun if you chase yourself with your own remote control car.
Lily can't really control it that well, baby.
You're controlling it, Lily. Yes, it is funner if you chase yourself with it. Huh?
Yeah. Oh my goodness, those are louds.
Maybe Santa should have got 2 of those.
Remember that. Oh.
Don't make it drive into the levee. Whoa! You flipped it. How you doing, baby? We're charging your helicopter.
That'd be fast.
You better watch it. It's gone. Oh, Angel's gonna catch it.
New shoes I got for Christmas.
They're pretty. Lily, are you going off-roading? Watch it. It's gonna crash. Let the button go. She's holding the button, chasing it.
Can I try?
Yeah,
Louie! Oh! Oh my gosh, Lily!
In a minute, let Sarah try, okay? And give her another minute, okay?
Stand back!
I know it's dangerous.
I'm gonna go closer to you.
No, you're scary.
Sarah, would you like something like that too one day? Yeah.
I like.
Ow! Lily's dangerous.
Remember, your left hand, your heart thumb makes it Move forward.
Oh, Judah!
Ouch!
Shoot.
Hold her for a minute.
Is it my turn?
Yeah, one more minute. All right, Lily, you mind if Sarah plays for a second? For a second?
Here, you play with the lion, Lily.
You gotta get the line out of the lead.
One controls the wheels and one is the power forward and back.
You just put the line in the middle over here, where the road's not so rough.
Don't kick it, Lily. No, Lily, you're gonna break it.
That's my turn.
Let her have another minute, baby.
Hi, Emery. Hold on, Daddy. Hi, baby. Hi, pretty. 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 Hi, pretty. No, not yet. I'm filming you. I love you. I love you. Are you having fun?
Let me go potty.
You gotta go poop. I need to know if I need to go help her or not.
All right. Say bye.
Bye. Hey.
Don't. Oh my gosh. Don't run over and kill the poor lion. Bye.
Bye. Car crash.
Ouch.